Hello 7th standard students. We were discussing about the lesson linear equations in one variable. Example 10. So this is application based questions, isn't it? So word problems. Example 10. Two equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. So it is a isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal and the two equal sides are 5 meters less than twice the third side. So the third side, let it be x, then the other two sides will be 5 less than twice the third side. So it will be 2x minus 5. And then it is given the perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is given 55 meter and find the lengths of its sides. So for that first we have to find out the x, then the sides. Okay. So in the solution, first what will you write? It is a 5 meter less than the third side. ऐसे दिया है तो पहले लिखने का let the third side of the triangle be x centimeter. Okay. Therefore, the two equal sides will be 5 less than twice the third side. That is 2x minus 5 meter. Okay. Now it is given perimeter. According to this, the perimeter will be what? The sum of all sides, isn't it? So, according to question, the perimeter of the triangle is equal to sum of all three sides. So, perimeter how much is given? 55. Isn't it? Is equal to sum of all the sides. First side is what? You take 2x minus 5. Second side 2x minus 5. And the third side is x. Okay, 55 is equal to 2x plus 2x, 4x. 4x plus x, that is 5x. Minus 5 minus 5 will be minus 10. Isn't it? Now 5x, keep it here. 55 and this you take it to the other side, it becomes minus 10. So 5x is equal to 55 minus 10 will be how much? Sorry, minus 10 becomes plus 10, isn't it? Yes or no? So, it is a minus 10. When you take it to the other side, it becomes plus 10. So, 55 plus 10, how much it will be? It is 65, isn't it? So, x is equal to 65 by 5. So, it is 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 1 remains, 5 threes are 15. So, it is 13. You got x is equal to 13. So, answer third side is equal to x is equal to 13 meter. Other two sides will be how much? 2x minus 5. That is 2 into 13 minus 5. That is how much it will be? 13 twos are 26 minus 5. That is 21 meter. So other two equal sides you can write. So third side is 13 meter. The other two sides will be 21 meter. Hope you understood. First draw the figure. Two equal sides and the third side. So they have told the two equal sides are 5 less than twice the third side. So let the third side be x and the other two sides will be 2x minus 5. But according to the question, the perimeter is equal to the sum of three sides. Perimeter is given 55 and add the sides and find out x and find out the other two sides. Understood? The same type of sums from worksheet 2. So, the question number 8. First 7 we have finished and now coming to the 8th question. The length of a rectangle is 20 centimeter more than its breadth. So, which one we have to take it as x? The breadth, isn't it? So, 20 centimeter more than the breadth. So, breadth will be x centimeter. The length will be x plus 20. Isn't it? 20 centimeter more than the breadth. That is why x plus 20. Then, perimeter is given. Find the dimensions. Dimensions means length and breadth. Okay. So, first what will you write? Let the breadth of the rectangle be x centimeter. The length will be how much? X plus 20 centimeter. Why? Because 20 centimeter more than the breadth. Okay. Now, it is according to question. What they have told? Perimeter, isn't it? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth. Now, perimeter, how much it is given? 100 is equal to 2 into length is how much? It is x plus 20 and breadth is how much? X. So, 100 is equal to 2 into x plus x is 2x plus 20. Okay. Now, 2x plus 20. Keep it here only. 100. Take this upon 2. So, it is 50 is equal to 2x plus 20. So, 2x is equal to 50. Take 20 this side. It will be minus 20. It is how much? 30. So, you got 2x is equal to 30. So, x is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15. So, x is equal to 15. You can do like this, otherwise you can multiply. 2 2s are 4x plus 40. Like that also you can do. So, but it is multiplication, so this way also you can do. So, calculation, it can be of any type. Either you multiply 2 into this full and solve to find the x. Otherwise, this is multiplication. So, take it to the other side. It will be division. Okay, now x you got 15. So, answer breadth is equal to how much? X, isn't it? Is equal to 15 centimeter. Length is equal to how much they have told? X plus 20. That is 15 plus 20. Therefore, it is how much? 35 centimeter. Understood? So they have told the length is 20 centimeter more than the breadth. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, ब्रेथ को x ले लो, लेंथ आया x प्लस 20. पेरीमीटर दिया है 100 सेंटीमीटर. सो पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. सो 100 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू वैल्यूज डालो. लेंथ इज x प्लस 20 और ब्रेथ इज x. तो 100 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू x प्लस x इज 2x प्लस 20. तो ये 2 को इस तरफ लेंगे तो 100/2 हो गया. इधर बचा 2x प्लस 20. तो इधर 100/2 मीन्स 50 इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 20. सो 2x इज इक्वल टू 50. 20 को इस तरफ लेंगे तो -20. दैट इज 2x इज इक्वल टू 30. x इज इक्वल टू 30/2 इज इक्वल टू 15. तो breadth is equal to x, that is 15 centimeter, and length is equal to x plus 20, that is 15 plus 20 is equal to 35 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to the question number 9. The length of a rectangle is 3 times its width. Length of a rectangle is 3 times its width. Width मतलब breadth. सो ब्रेथ से 3 गुना ज्यादा है. तो किसको आप लोग x लेंगे, ब्रेथ, isn't it? तो लेंथ कितना आएगा 3x. पेरीमीटर दिया है सेम पहले के जैसे ही, स्टार्टिंग का ही थोड़ा अलग है ना, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ थोड़ा अलग. सो पहले क्या लिखेंगे हम, लेट द ब्रेथ of the rectangle be x meter. मीटर है, ठीक है. therefore length is equal to, length will be how much, 3 times the width. so it will be 3x meter. okay. now next we have to write perimeter. कितना दिया है, 84. So according to question, perimeter is equal to, what is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter दिया है 84 is equal to 2 into length is 3x और breadth is x. So 84 is equal to 2 into 3x plus x is 4x, है ना. so 4x को 4x, तो आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, 4x को इधर ही रखो, नहीं तो दोनों एक साथ ले सकते हैं, बट 4x को इधर ले लो. 84/2, 2 1s 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4 हो गया. अभी x इज इक्वल टू 4x इज इक्वल टू 42 मिला, है ना. सो x इज इक्वल टू 42/4, दैट इज 4 1s 4 में जा ही जाता है, 2 2s एंड 2 2s 4, 2 1s. तो कितना मिला आपको, x इज इक्वल टू 21/2, 2 1s 2, 2 0s है ना, 2 10s 20. अभी 1 बचा है तो डेसिमल डालो, एक्स्ट्रा 0 ले लो, मतलब कितना हो गया 5.5, 10.5 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. अभी आप लोग क्या करोगे, हमें आंसर चाहिए. आंसर क्या है, ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू कितना है, x इज इक्वल टू 10.5 सेंटीमीटर. लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 3x, है ना, that is 3 into 10 to the 10.5. 3 5s are 15, 1 0 तो 1, 3 1s are 3. So आपको मिला, सॉरी इट इज मीटर, ओके, तो आपको मिला ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 10.5 मीटर और the length is equal to 31.5 meter. Is it clear? सेम मेथड लेकिन कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा इधर डेसिमल में आता है, उतना ही, ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Two equal sides of an isosceles triangle are each 2 centimeter more than the thrice the third side. एग्जाम्पल के जैसे ट्रायंगल वाला है ना. सो द टू इक्वल साइड्स आर 2 centimeter more than thrice the third side. तो third side let it be x. The other two sides are 2 more than, मतलब 2 more than thrice, मतलब 3 times the third side. So it will be 3x plus 2 और पेरीमीटर दिया है. So क्या लिखेंगे हम? Let the third side is equal to x centimeter. So 2 equal sides is equal to, क्या बोले, 2 सेंटीमीटर मोर देन थ्राइस द थर्ड साइड. थ्राइस मतलब 3 times द थर्ड साइड. थर्ड साइड इज x सेंटीमीटर. अभी पेरीमीटर दिया है 67 सेंटीमीटर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू, पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल is equal to sum of 3 sides. Okay, perimeter कितना? 67. फर्स्ट साइड कितना आएगा? 3x plus 2. सेकेंड साइड 3x plus 2. थर्ड साइड x. तो 3x plus 3x 6x plus x. So 7x plus 2 plus 2 is 4. So 67 is equal to this much. So 67, ये इस तरफ लेंगे तो -4 is equal to 7x. तो कितना मिला? 7x is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3, that's 6. So x is equal to 63 by 7. That is 9, है ना. 7 1s are 7 9s are. अभी क्या लिखोगे आप लोग? द आंसर थर्ड साइड is equal to x is equal to 9 centimeter. 2 equal sides is equal to 3x plus 2 is equal to 3 into 9 plus 2. कितना आया? 3 9s are 27 plus 2, 29 सेंटीमीटर. समझ में आया सबको? So this is answer. Okay. होप एवरीवन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सिर्फ आप लोगों को ये तीनों साइड को कैसे लिखने का उतना ही, आगे द कैलकुलेशन एक्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. नाउ द 11th सम, द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज 16 सेंटीमीटर लेस देन ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ. अगेन ब्रेथ इज x, the length will be 16 सेंटीमीटर लेस, लेस मतलब माइनस, ट्वाइस द ब्रेथ मतलब 2x माइनस 16. फिर सेम, let the breadth of a rectangle be x centimeter, the length is equal to 16 centimeter less than twice the breadth. So that will be 2x minus 16 centimeter. According to question, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So ये कितना दिया है perimeter? 100 is equal to 2 into length is 2x minus 16 plus x, है ना. अभी 100, ये 2 को नीचे ले लो, 100/2. अब ये बनेगा 2x plus x is 3x minus 16. So इधर आया 50 is equal to 3x minus 16. So 3x will be how much? 50. इसको इस तरफ लेंगे तो ऑपोजिट साइड में लेंगे तो क्या बनता है? +16, है ना. नाउ 3x is equal to 66. x is equal to 66/3. 3 2s are 3 2s are. तो x is equal to कितना मिला आपको? 22. अभी हम लिखेंगे आंसर breadth is equal to x centimeter is equal to 22 centimeter. Now length is equal to 2x minus 16, है ना. That is 2 into 22 minus 16. 2 into 22 is 44 minus 16. 14 minus 6 is 8. इधर 3 बचा, 3 minus 1 is 2. It is 28 centimeter. Is it clear? So it is first you write the x length is equal to x centimeter. तो sorry, breadth is equal to x centimeter. Length कितना आएगा? 16 centimeter less than twice the breadth, मतलब 2x minus 16. फिर पेरीमीटर फॉर्मूला डालो, 2 into लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. तो 100 is equal to 2 into लेंथ कितना है? 2x minus 16 और ब्रेथ इज प्लस x. सो ये 2 को इस तरफ ले लो तो 100/2 आया. इधर आया 2x plus x is 3x minus 16. अभी इधर 100/2 is 50. 3x minus 16. तो इस तरफ लेंगे तो 3x will be equal to how much? 3x. आप लोग इसको लेफ्ट एंड राइट का सेम 3x को इधर ले लो तो 50 plus 16. मैं उसको रिवर्स लिखी उतना ही, x को लेफ्ट में ली. So 3x is equal to 50 plus 16. So 3x is equal to 66. X is equal to 66/3. So 3x is equal to 22. फिर वैल्यू डालो. Understood? Hope everyone understood the rectangle and the triangle perimeter sums. So this is a one set. Hope everyone understood. You don't have any problem with this, isn't it? Okay then, bye. Thank you.